Hello everyone, myself Sriram. Now I am going to explain about how to return an array from the function. We all know that how to return int and char from the function. Now I am going to show how to return an array from the function. Consider I have an array of elements of type int and my requirement is I will pass it to a function and that function should return an array of elements whose value is greater than 70. This is my program and this is my main function. Initially these are all my declarations and here I am reading the size of the array. Here I am reading the elements into the array. A equal to get above 70. Get above 70 is the function that returns the array of elements whose value is greater than 70. And here A is an integer pointer that holds the base address of the array written by this function. And array is my input array. Size is my input array size. And new size will contain the size of the new array written by this function. Initially it will be 0. And here I am displaying the elements in my new array. i.e. the value is greater than 70. Going to function definition. Int star get above 70. Here we should use int star. Why? Because in this function we are returning the base address of the array. So that's why I have used int star. And here I have created my new array using malloc. Why? Because if I create it like int new array of some time, it will be created in stack memory, and whenever the control leaves the function, the data will be lost in the array. We will get the garbage values. We lost the original data in the memory. In the array. So I have used malloc. So it will be created in heap memory, so that there will be no loss of data. And here I am checking whether the value is greater than 70 or not. Checking every element. If that element value is greater than 70, I am copying it into my new array and I am incrementing the size of my new array. After the loop ends, I am returning my base address of the array, and this address will be held by this integer pointer a, and here it will display the contents. Let's see how it runs. Enter the size of array, let's say 5. Array elements 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. See, initially my input array will contains only these 5 elements 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, and my new array, my elements in my new array will be are 80, 90 and 100. Why? Because these are only these 3 elements are the values greater than 70. So these elements will be in my new array. Let's try by creating array in stack memory and see how it going to work. Something say let's 10 and make it as a comment. Let's see now. Enter the size of the array. Take the input as like before. 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. See, here we got some garbage values. Why? Because whenever the control exits the function or control leaves the function, we lost the data, as I said, and here we got the garbage values. So whenever we want to return an array from the function, we should create that array using malloc, so that there will be no loss of data in the array. That's it. Thank you for watching.